We are here to do RC. Right now we are all dolphins, but we really want to grow and we want to become tigers very soon. So that's why we were going to practice every day. Okay, every day we are coming at 3:30 to 4:30 and we are practicing RC every day so that we can grow. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's start. All right, we're going to read a story now. All right, we're going to read a story, and the name of this story. Who can see the name? Who can tell me what is the name of this story? Can somebody see the name of the story? Raise a silent hand. I see Zoya raising a silent hand. Raj raising. Ritesh. Shivshish. Camera. Ha. Okay, Raj, tell me what is the name of this story. Unmute yourself.
Little painting.
Little painters.
Little painters.
Okay, 1 minute. Somebody is joining. यही होता है ऐसे late तक सब if everybody keeps joining. All right. Show me a thumbs up if you're good to go. Show me a thumbs up if you're all okay. Thank you, Zoya, Ritesh, Ansh. All right. Raj, everyone. Okay, we're all good to go. We'll go start now. No more wasting time. Okay. All eyes on the screen. All right. It was holiday time. What is the meaning of holiday? Silent hands. Puneet is raising a silent hand. Yes, Puneet. Okay, I see a lot of you raising a silent hand. Very happy with you. Yes, Puneet. What is the meaning of holiday time?
छुट्टी.
छुट्टी का टाइम था, है ना? Veena and Vinay were in the garden. Where are they? Where are Veena and Vinay, Raj? Where are Veena and Vinay? Okay, what is this girl's name? What is this person's name?
Veena.
And what is this boy's name?
Vinay.
Vinay. Very good. Good job, Raj. Please mute yourself now. Okay. There were tins of paint everywhere. Raise a silent hand to tell me what does this mean. There were tins of paint everywhere. Okay, Ansh is raising a silent hand. Ansh, tell me what does this mean?
What do you say?
There were tins of paint everywhere. What is the meaning of this sentence?
सब जगह पेंटिंग है.
Painting का क्या है? What are these?
डिब्बा.
These are called tins. Dabba. Okay.
Bucket.
Yes, tins. Good job, Ansh. Okay. What are these? Shailesh, what are these? Shailesh, what are these? Unmute yourself, Baba. What are these? What are these? Tell again. Correct, say. Okay, okay, Zoya, help. What are these? ये क्या है? We just read in the story. Unmute yourself.
Color bucket.
What are they called in the story? They're called tins, right? Okay. Now we are going to draw and label. What is the meaning of label, Ritesh? Label meaning? Unmute yourself.
मतलब उसके बारे में
लिखना, right? Draw and label one activity you do in your holidays. Now we are going to think about our own life and we are going to draw and label, write the name of the activity that we like to do in our holiday. Puneet, what are we doing right now? Puneet, what are we doing? We are going to
story.
Okay, who can help Puneet? What are we doing? Yes, Zoya. Yes, wait, Zoya, wait. Pawan, what are we doing?
Did we draw activity? We do holiday.
Okay, and we are also writing the name of that activity, labeling. You have only 1 minute to do this. Go ahead. Go. Draw. You have 1 minute. Puneet, why are you not drawing, Baba? Ajay, you're thinking, kya? Okay, I see Zoya drawing. Shivshesh, are you drawing? Okay, I see Shivshesh drawing. I see Raj is drawing. Ritesh is drawing. Shailesh is drawing. Puneet is thinking. Pavan is drawing. Apsari is drawing. Zoya is drawing. Good job. Okay, 40 more seconds. Thirty more seconds. It's okay if your drawing is not perfect. Okay, you just have to share. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Z, E, R, O, 0. Alright. Shivshesh. Baba, what have you drawn? Which activity? What have you drawn? Share. Baba. Baba, what have you drawn, Shivshesh? What have you drawn? आपने क्या draw किया है? आपने अपने notebook में भी क्या किया बाबा? Nothing.
No, Didi.
It's okay. You were supposed to draw one activity that you really like doing in your holiday. I'm going to ask Raj, what have you drawn?
I am playing in the garden.
Raj loves playing in the garden, so he has drawn playing in the garden. Okay, Ritesh, what have you drawn? You're on mute, Baba.
Didi,
Yes.
I play bad ball.
You're playing bat ball. Okay, last person. Raj has already shared. Puneet.
Didi, I am playing in cricket.
You're playing cricket. That's what you've drawn. Okay. Misbah has joined late. Misbah, from tomorrow you're going to join at 3:25. You will have class every day at 3:30. So आप 3:25 में join करोगे. We have started without you because you were late. अभी तक we have read it now. It was holiday time. Veena and Vinay were in the garden. There were tins of paint everywhere. Okay. And everybody has drawn one activity that they really like. Misbah, can you put your camera on? Okay. Do you have a notebook and a pen with you?
Yes.
Okay. Misbah, now follow. Okay. What is this girl's name, Misbah? Veena.
What, Didi?
What is this girl's name? Veena. Okay. Read this. Have you read?
Yeah.
What is this boy's name?
We have.
No, Veena is this girl's name. What is his name?
Teacher boy.
Veena and Vinay. Right? What is this boy's name?
Veena and Vinay.
What are they doing?
Painting.
Correct, painting. Okay, correct. All right, we're not wasting any more time. We're moving ahead. There was white paint and red paint and green paint and blue paint and yellow paint. Who's going to tell me what is the meaning of this sentence? Ansh? Is Ansh here? Okay, Ansh is not here. Shivshesh, what is the meaning of this sentence? There was white paint and red paint and green paint and blue paint and yellow paint. What is the meaning of this sentence? इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, there was white paint. There was white paint. इसका मतलब what is the meaning of that?
वहाँ white paint.
वहाँ white paint था. And red paint. Meaning?
वहाँ red paint.
वहाँ white paint था और and means और red paint था and green paint. Meaning? Yes, और
green paint था.
and blue paint and yellow paint. और blue paint था और
Yellow paint था.
yes, that's what it means, right? Every time we are reading a sentence, we are thinking in our mind, इस sentence का मतलब क्या है? Do I know the meaning of the sentence? Every time we read something, we are going to think about the sentence. हम हिंदी में सोचेंगे, what does this sentence mean? And then we will move forward. अगर कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आते, we are going to stop, read before, read after, and only then move. Okay? All right. We're now going to share. Have you ever painted? Which are your favorite colors? Have you ever painted in your life? I'm going to ask 3 people. Okay, I see a lot of silent hands. Apsari, have you ever painted in your life? Unmute yourself, Baba. Have you ever painted in your life? आपने कभी paint किया है? Okay, Apsari is saying yes. Ritesh, when have you painted? When have you painted? You're on mute, Baba.
In notebook.
In notebook, and what are your favorite colors?
Red.
Okay, red is Ritesh's favorite color. Last response from Raj. Raj, have you ever painted, and what are your favorite colors?
Blue.
Blue. And when have you painted?
In art class.
In art class, right? Okay.
Yes.
1 minute. Somebody is joining. Okay, जिसने भी अभी join किया, can you put your camera on? Please put. पुनीत अपने दो फोन से join किया है. All right, no problem. Okay, we're going to read ahead.
I can.
The painters. Who is a painter? What is the meaning of the painters? Who is a painter? Okay, Ansh, unmute yourself. Ansh.
Girl and boy.
Who is a painter?
Girl and boy.
Girl and boy. No.
Boy.
Who is a painter in this? What does a painter do? What does a painter do? Painter का काम क्या होता है?
Was wall coloring.
Okay, coloring the wall. The painters were busy.
They did draw in wall pictures.
Yes, they're drawing pictures on the wall. The painters were busy. You see, there are 2 painters in this picture and they're busy.
Busy.
One painter was on a ladder. What is the meaning of ladder? Misbah, what is the meaning? Okay, as Pawan has said, ladder means CD. We see this painter is on a ladder. Another was hanging from the roof. Roof meaning?
Jhula. Jhula.
No. Swing means jhula. Another one was hanging from the roof on a swing. छत से झूले में झूल रहा था. दूसरा वाला. This painter is on a swing and this painter is on a ladder. Can we help? Asked Veena and Vinay. What did Veena and Vinay do? Misbah?
He asked from
Misbah, what did Veena and Vinay do?
Veena said, can we help?
Okay. Who are these people? Misbah?
Painter.
Okay, thank you. Now Puneet is going to answer. Puneet, why is this painter on a ladder? what? Why is this painter on a ladder? You're on mute, huh?
Because he is painting a wall to up.
Okay, the wall is very high and he can't reach, right? बहुत ऊंचा है and he can't reach high. So to reach high, to reach the height, he's using a, what is he using? He's using a ladder, right? Clear? Show me a thumbs up if you have understood till now. Whatever Didi has told you, you have understood. Whatever you have read, you have understood. Okay, I see a lot of thumbs up. We are going to move ahead. The painter, 1 minute. The painter gave each of them 1 minute. The painter gave each of them a brush. What is the painter giving them?
Brush.
You see this brush? The painter gave
Yes.
them. Who did the painter give brush to? किसको दिया brush? Pawan, who did the painter give brush to? किसको brush दिया painter ने?
And boy.
What are the names? What are their names? What are the name of the girl and the boy?
Veena and Vinny.
Veena and Vinay.
Vinny.
Veena and Vinay.
Yes.
Okay. Paint the inside of the gate. Inside meaning? Not Pawan. Wait, I'll ask. Zoya. Inside meaning?
Inside meanings bahar.
No. Outside meaning bahar. Inside meaning?
Andar.
Okay. Paint the inside of the gate. Gate के अंदर को क्या करो?
Paint color.
He asked to, किसको बोला उसने? Who did he ask?
Veena and Vinny.
Veena को उसने बोला paint the inside of the gate. Paint the outside of the gate. He said to Vinay. What did he ask Vinay to do? Zoya?
Vinay to do say outside gate to color painting.
Right. Vinay will paint outside of the gate and Veena will paint inside of the gate. Okay, next answer Shivshesh is going to give. 1 minute. They picked up 2 tins of paint and set to work. Pick up meaning? Shivshesh, pick up meaning? उठाया 2 tins of paint. उन्होंने क्या उठाया?
2 tins of paint.
And then set to work और काम पे लग गए. Okay. Veena painted one side of the gate. Veena was painting inside of the gate and Vinay painted other side of the gate. Okay. Now,
Yes.
Shivshesh is going to answer. What is happening in the story, Shivshesh? अभी क्या चल रहा है story में?
मीना आगे मतलब आगे वाले दरवाजे को पेंट कर रही है और ये वीना पीछे वाले दरवाजे को पेंट कर रहा है.
Very good, Shivshesh. High five. Okay, Miss Ba is going to answer now. Miss Ba, sorry. What color is Veena using to paint? Veena कौन सा color use कर रही है, Miss Ba?
Red.
And what color is Vinay using to paint?
Green.
Okay, everybody look. Veena is using which color? Red, right? And Vinay is using green color. Okay, next Ansh is going to answer, so be ready, okay? The paint fell on the ground. Ansh, what is the meaning of fell? Fell meaning?
Fell off coloring.
Fell meaning the paint fell on the ground. Meaning
Coloring.
क्या हुआ? Color क्या हुआ? Okay, Puneet is raising a hand. Puneet, help Ansh. You're on mute, Baba.
Didi,
Huh?
what is color is
Fell meaning?
um,
Try in Hindi, it's okay.
नीचे भाई
नीचे गिरना
गिरना. क्या गिरा नीचे? What fell on the ground?
कलर
Good job, Ansh. Good job, Puneet. The paint fell on the ground. The paint fell on the wall or wall पे भी गिर गया. Right? What were they painting? What were they painting, Pawan?
ग्रीन
नहीं,
येलो रेड
क्या
ब्लू
paint? कौन सा चीज पेंट कर रहे थे? What were they painting?
दिस इज पेंटिंग वॉल
No. Raj, what were they painting? वो क्या पेंट कर रहे थे? Look at this picture.
दीदी आए
Yes, Miss Ba.
अराउंड
They were painting the gate, right? वो gate को paint कर रहे थे and the paint fell on the ground, the paint fell on the wall, the paint fell on them. The paint fell on them, meaning?
दी आए
Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj.
उनके ऊपर भी कलर चल गया
Yes, उनके ऊपर भी कलर गिर गया, right? Okay. In your life, now we're going to think about our own life. While painting, has paint ever dropped on the floor and on our dress? हमारे life में, when we have ever painted, we all said we have painted in Saturday art class, right?
Yes.
Has paint ever fell on our dress and on the wall and on the ground? Has this happened?
यस दीदी
Okay, everybody is saying yes. So, Veena और Vinay के साथ भी जो हो रहा था, it was very natural. This has happened to our life also, right? When we paint, paint falls on the ground, falls on our dress, everywhere, right?
यस
Okay, thank you. Good job, friends. We are going to read ahead. At last, they finished. At last, they finished, meaning Shailesh?
खत्म
No, who's Shailesh here? Pawan's name is Shailesh. Hi, Shailesh. Okay, Shailesh. Unmute yourself, Baba. Unmute yourself, Shailesh. Shailesh, unmute yourself. आपको माइक का बटन दबाना है, Shailesh. Yes. At last, they finished. Meaning?
finish
खत्म हो गया उनका. क्या खत्म हो गया?
story
No. वो क्या कर रहे थे? What were they doing?
he doing water boy
Painting. They were painting and at last the painting is over. Next, Ritesh is going to answer and then Puneet, okay? They wiped off the paint. Wiped off meaning Ritesh?
मतलब उन लोग दीवार साफ कर रहे थे
Wiped off, very good. Wiped off meaning साफ करना, पोछा लगाना. They wiped off the paint that had splashed. Splashed meaning छिड़कना, जो छिड़क गया था on the ground. What is Vinay doing? He is wiping off the paint that had splashed, जो छिड़क गया था on the ground. They wiped off the paint that had splashed on the wall. What is the meaning of this sentence, Puneet?
ये बात
They wiped off the paint that had splashed on the wall. Meaning?
दीदी और जो वॉल पे कलर कर रहे थे और नीचे गिर गया वो साफ कर रहे
वो साफ कर रहे. Good job, Puneet. Okay. Now, why do you think they're wiping off the paint that splashed on the floor and the wall? Why do you think वो क्यों साफ कर रहे हैं? Why are they wiping it off? I will ask Pawan. Unmute yourself, Baba. हाँ.
यस दीदी
Why do you think they're wiping off the paint? ये जो wall पे and from the floor and the wall, why are they wiping off the paint?
दीदी because all paints fall down
And yes.
दीदी वो साफ कर रहे हैं
क्यों साफ कर रहे
पानी
हैं?
लगा के
क्यों?
दीदी क्योंकि कोई भी जाएगा उसके पैर में लग जाएगा
Amazing, beautiful answer, Pawan. Because so that the floor and the walls are not dirty and nobody else gets paint on their body. That's why they are wiping it off. Good answer. Okay. They wiped off the paint that had splashed on them. Meaning, Shivshesh, meaning? They wiped off, meaning साफ किया, the paint that had splashed मतलब छिड़कना, on them, meaning?
मतलब उन लोग के ऊपर कलर गिर गया था.
तो वो क्या कर रहे थे अभी? Wiped off meaning?
वाइट ऑफ मतलब अपना
साफ करना.
Very good. Good job, Shivshesh. Thank you, Pawan, for helping him. Raise a silent hand. Okay, Pawan, next time. Who do you think she is? Shivshesh? Who do you think is she? कौन है ये? Make a
his
guess.
mom.
Perfect. Okay, we're going to read ahead now. I love my red gate, said Veena. And I love my green gate, said Vinay. What is the color of Veena's side of gate, Zoya?
Green.
Veena's side of gate?
Red.
And Vinay's side of gate?
Green.
Okay.
तुम भी आ रहे.
Alright. Oh, you have made a two-colored gate, cried the painter. Misbah, tell me the meaning of this sentence. Oh, you have made a two-colored gate, cried the painter.
Who made of two colored gate? उन दोनों ने मिलके दो कलर गेट पे लगाए.
Who is saying this?
She's mother.
No, cried the painter. The painter is crying, saying कि हे भगवान आपने तो दो कलर कर दिया, है ना? What is the painter doing? The painter is
Doing.
The painter is crying कि हो आपने तो दो कलर का पेंट कर दिया एक गेट पे. Understood? Let us keep it that way, said mother. Pawan, what is the meaning of this sentence? Let us keep it that way, said mother. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Let keep.
Let us keep it that way, said mother. Meaning?
दीदी इसको रख देना. Keep.
वैसे ही रहने दो. Who said this?
दीदी यार.
Who said this? Story में who said this? Said the
Boy and girl.
No. Okay. Who can tell me? Raj, tell me. Let us keep it that way, said the mother. Who is talking now? Raj, unmute yourself.
दीदी आए.
1 minute, Baba. हाँ, Raj, go ahead. Let us keep it that way, said mother. Who is saying now? Raj, कौन बात कर रहा है स्टोरी में अभी?
Mother.
And what is she saying?
She said, I let using keep it that.
कि दो साइड ही रहने दो, दोनों साइड का गेट. It's okay. Mother likes it. Mother has no problem. How is mother feeling by looking at the two-colored gate? What do you think mother is feeling? She's saying उसको वैसे ही रहने दो, कोई बात नहीं. But how do you think she's feeling?
I say.
1 minute. I'm going to ask everyone. Pawan, how do you think mother is feeling?
Happy.
Okay. Why do you think mother is feeling happy?
Because there are two colors, red and green.
Okay. Thank you, Pawan, for that answer. Raj, share your answer.
Happy.
Okay. What is another word we can use for happy? Happy की जगह हम कौन सा word use कर सकते हैं? Zoya is raising her hand. Yes.
दीदी आए.
Yes, Zoya and then Misbah. Zoya, cheerful. Mother is feeling cheerful. Okay, Misbah, why do you think, do you want to use another word, Misbah, for happy?
दीदी मैं ही वही जो बनाई थी जोया बोली.
Cheerful. Why do you think, Misbah, that mother is feeling cheerful?
This child work to another.
Okay, because two of her children worked hard and that's why mother is feeling cheerful. Thank you for sharing. Now take out your notebook and we are going to practice questions. Okay. Take out your notebook. Question number 1. Everyone, okay, take 10 seconds. Take 10 seconds and then we will get ready. Take out your notebook, write today's date. Write today's date, everyone. 17th August, Monday. Shivshesh, have you written today's date? Have you written today's date? Okay. Ansh, have you written today's date? Ritesh is giving me a thumbs up. We'll come back in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0.
Didi, I will write this.
Okay, write in your notebook. You can only write the answers also. It's okay if you only write the answers also. Let's read question number 1. The painters were busy. One painter was on a ladder, another was hanging from the roof on a swing. Why do you think the painters were on a ladder and a swing? First write this answer. Why do you think the painters were on a ladder and a swing? Iska answer write in your notebook. We're not discussing, we're writing. Okay, this is a test. Why do you think the painters were on a ladder and a swing? Why matlab kyun do you think आप सोचते हो that painters were on ladder and swing? Painters ladder और swing में क्यों थे? Why do you think so? Write in your notebook. You have 1 minute. I see Misbah is writing, Zoya is writing, Puneet is writing, Raj is writing, Pawan is writing, Ritesh is writing. Okay. Ansh, are you writing? Ansh, I can't see you, Baba.
From the roof.
Okay. Have you written the answer, Ansh? Why do you think the painters were on a ladder and a swing? Have you written? आपको क्यों लगता है they were on a ladder and a swing?
Didi, I writing and I will send Ayushi.
No, don't send Ayushi Didi. These pictures you will send to me. Don't send pictures to Ayushi Didi. ये वाला आंसर मुझे भेजो अभी लिख के. Right now and then send it to me. Okay, Ansh? अभी लिखो. अभी write the answers.
Answer because
Show me a thumbs up when you're done.
the
Puneet, done क्या?
is
No, Didi.
Okay. Don't write the question, just write the answer. A. Why do you think the painters were on a ladder and a swing? Show me a thumbs up when you're done, okay? Who can tell me the meaning of this question? इस question का मतलब क्या है, Puneet? What is the meaning of this question? Unmute yourself and share.
दीदी और क्यों लेदर और स्ट्रिंग लेने से बॉल को पेंट करने के लिए.
Okay, perfect. Right. Have you written the answer? Okay, Puneet has written. Show me a thumbs up if you have written the answer, everyone.
Yes, दीदी.
Okay, Pawan has also written. We'll wait for 30 more seconds and then we'll move to second question. Those who have written the first can move to the second B question. What will
Didi.
you... Ha, Baba?
What do first? Why do you
The question is, why do you think the painters were on ladder and swing? आपको क्यों लगता है कि जो painters थे वो ladder और swing में थे? Okay, you have to write your own reason कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि वो लोग ladder और swing में थे. Alright. Write the answer. Those who have written the first answer, write this. What will you use to reach something very high? आप क्या use करोगे to reach something very high? आप अपने life में क्या use करोगे? What will you use in your life to reach something very high in your house, school, कहीं पे भी कुछ ऊंचा पहुंचने के लिए? What are you going to use? Right.
Hello, Didi.
Yes.
सेकंड वाले में क्या करने का? व्हाट वी डू सेकंड?
What will you use? What मतलब क्या? Will you use? आप यूज करोगे to reach पहुंचने के लिए something very high. कुछ हाई पहुंचने के लिए what will you use? कोई बहुत चीज हाई है, उसको पहुंचने के लिए what are you going to use? Write that.
Yes, I know.
Okay, right. Shivshesh, have you written? I'm going to, after this, you will send a picture of your notebook and send it to me. I will correct. Okay? Done? क्या question number 1A, 1B दोनों हो गया? रितेश 1A, 1B दोनों हो गया? Okay, Ritesh is done with both. Puneet दोनों हो गया? Done with both the questions? Okay, Puneet is writing. Zoya done? Okay, Zoya is not done. Shivshesh is also writing. Misbah done? Shailesh, are you writing? What will you use? आप क्या यूज करोगे to reach something very high, शैलेश? आप अपने लाइफ में कुछ बहुत चीज ऊंचा है, उसको पहुंचने के लिए what are you going to use? Write the answer. You can also draw, Shailesh, if you don't know the answer. 30 more seconds, हाँ? If it's okay if you don't write the question, you just have to write the answer. 1A, 1B, and answer.
Didi.
Yes.
Didi, you send WhatsApp, Didi.
Don't send now. After all the 3 questions, you will send me a picture, okay?
No, Didi, you question send me and Didi, answer send करो ना.
नहीं, you for अभी करो आप.
Yes, Didi.
Done, Shivshesh? Both the questions? 1A, 1B दोनों हो गया? Shivshesh? Okay, Shivshesh is done. Okay, all eyes on screen now. All eyes on screen. Question number 2. We are doing this question too, okay? All waiting for Puneet and Pawan. Haan. Can we help? Asked Veena and Vinay. Now the question is, have you, क्या आपने ever helped anyone with their work? Have you ever helped anyone with their work? Who is going to tell me what is the meaning of this question? Ritesh? Ritesh. Have you ever helped anyone with their work? What is the meaning of this question?
मैं किसको भी हेल्प
करते हो क्या? कभी भी आपने किया है क्या उनके काम में, है ना?
Yes.
And there is one more question. How did that person feel after you helped them? What is the meaning of this question, Ritesh?
Happy.
उस इंसान को कैसा फील हुआ after you helped them? Okay. So now we are writing. क्या आपने अपने लाइफ में have you ever helped anyone with their work? If yes, how did that person feel? Do not write happy. Write a new word. You know many words. Write a new word. Nobody's writing happy. We have learned new words.
Happy.
अच्छा, फर्स्ट आप 2 क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हैव यू एवर हेल्प? क्या आपने कभी हेल्प किया है किसी को उनके काम में? इफ यस, how has that person felt? Okay, how was that person feeling after you helped them? Show me a thumbs up when you're done.
More done, Didi.
Okay, take 30 more seconds.
Didi, I draw side or draw?
Right, no drawing. Right, it's okay. जो भी मन में आ रहा है, right, it's okay. No, only Freya Didi is going to check.
Didi.
Yes, Shailesh.
दीदी सेकंड वाला पूरा लिखने का दीदी.
Only write the answer. Have you ever helped anyone with their work? क्या आपने कभी किसी को अपने उनके वर्क के साथ हेल्प किया है? Yes or no? If yes, how was that person feeling? Okay, बस इतना ही लिखने का है. आपको बस आंसर लिखने का है, क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखने का है. Alright? समझा? शैलेश?
Yes. Yeah, दीदी.
Done? 20 more seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Z, E, R, O, 0. Okay, all eyes on the screen. Waiting for Pawan. Waiting for Raj. Waiting for Raj. Raj, what are you doing? Waiting for Raj. All right, question number 3. All eyes on the screen. I love my red gate, said Veena. I love my green gate, said Vinay. How are Vinay and Veena feeling after painting? So yeah, explain the question to me.
Vinay,
Hmm.
after painting too,
Painting the gate, yes.
so how you are?
How are they feeling? Okay, go right. You have only 1 minute to write the answer. Right. Raj, you have understood the question, right? Okay, Ritesh is ready. No drawing, right? How are Veena and Vinay feeling after painting?
Yes, Didi.
Write the answer. Misbah, turn on your camera. Misbah, please switch on your camera. Misbah, you have written kya? Last answer? Okay, Misbah has already written. 30 more seconds.
Didi, complete.
Okay. Everybody, after writing first 1, 2 and 3 questions, send me a picture on WhatsApp right now. Misbah has already sent me. Ritesh has also sent me. Send me a picture right now. Abhi picture खींचो अपने notebook का and send me on WhatsApp.